Been found guilty of manslaughter. Monson was killed in 2012 while in police custody. Petronila Goren has the details.
The four accused persons, Naftali Chege, Charles Munyiri, John Pamba and Ismail Baraka, were found culpable of involvement in the death of the then 28-year-old Alexander Monson.
In the upshot, I hereby convict the first, second, third and fourth accused persons of the felony of manslaughter under Section 202 of the Penal Code.
The police officers who arrested the late Alexander at Tandoori in a bar and restaurant in Diani on accusation of smoking cannabis were sentenced to various years in prison.
The first accused person, Naftali Chege, is sentenced to serve a jail term of 15 years in prison, 5 of which are suspended. The second accused person, Charles Wangombe Munyiri, is sentenced to serve sentence of 12 years in prison, 6 of which is suspended. The third accused person shall serve 9 years in prison, 5 of which are suspended. The fourth accused person shall serve 12 years in prison, 6 of which are suspended. However, due to his invalid condition, the fourth accused person shall continue to seek treatment outside prison and shall only move into jail after his health condition has improved. However, in any event, the fourth accused person shall move into jail on 15th of November 2022, regardless of whether or not he shall have healed.
In his ruling, Justice Eric Ogolla ruled that the prosecution failed to prove their murder case. However, the circumstantial evidence provided proved manslaughter. He further said it was within the accused's responsibility to ensure that the deceased was protected while in custody.
This is to say, the accused persons had the duty to ensure that the deceased who was under their custody received immediate medical attention, which they failed to dispense.
The court refuted claims that he had died due to a drug overdose and that the results from 3 different pathologists had indicated that he had succumbed to injuries caused by blunt objects.
The alleged overdose of drugs was a red herring, and this court believes the issue was brought up by the police to cover either for their murder of the deceased or their negligence to provide health care to the deceased.
Despite the parents saying they are relieved that justice had been served, they have expressed their dissatisfaction with the ruling, citing that the sentence was favorable.
After 10 years of fighting for justice, that a 5-year sentence, it doesn't feel to a mother who's lost their child.
I would say that, frankly, I would rather be hanged than actually have to stay in a prison for 3 or 4 years in one of those. You know, they're not going to be necessarily well received by the other inmates.
Justice Ogolla has called on law enforcement agencies to exercise sensitivity to rights of all suspects when arrested. Petronila Goren for TV47 in Mombasa County.